Oh, hi guys. Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico. Today we've got a very special episode. It's one of our favorite subscribers. I'm probably gonna get his name wrong because I'm crap at saying names. Mr. Guga Bernadelli. He wanted us to make a drink with Peppar, so I'm gonna give you another mule. Absolut Fiery Mule. Don't forget to click and subscribe. You don't wanna miss one of these great vids. If you like a kick in your mule, go for the Fiery Mule. Absolut Peppar is made with the freshest peppercorns, that pure fresh black peppercorn taste. As I say all the time, start with your cheapest ingredient first, and this is gonna be our freshly squeezed lime juice. We're gonna want 15 ml going straight into the glass. Next up, we're gonna add Absolut Peppar, pepper, I don't care how you say it, pepper. We're gonna add the magic number, which is 45 ml. As you guys know from watching all my previous videos, 45 ml just makes the tastiest of drinks. Oh, I can already smell those fresh peppercorns in there. Next up, we're gonna do the ice. Ice up as much as possible, guys. The more ice you've got, the colder it stays, the less the ice will melt. Next up, your favorite brand of ginger beer, pour it all the way to the top. We're gonna give it a nice little garnish this time. We're gonna take one red chili, slice the bad boy right down the middle to open it up. We're gonna slot that in. Then we're gonna take some lime wedges, drop it in. Boom, that's it, done, dusted. The Fiery Mule, guys. Shall we have a taste? This one's gonna blow my socks off. Ooh! That's a spicy drink. That's just the right amount of spice. That little bit of red chili in there, it's just gonna bleed into the drink and give it a little bit more kick. And then you got the fieriness from the ginger beer, all balanced out with some lime. If you like spicy foods, get it down here. It's gonna be sufficient all summer year long. All summer year long, that's not a real sentence. I'm keeping it in there though.